Let's talk about nurses. Let's talk about that noble, caring profession. And then let's talk about the way people behave towards nurses. That's the behaviors of people towards nurses. And let's also talk about the way the society places nurses. One thing that you should know first is that a nurse is a normal human being like you. The nurse also feel pain. The nurse also react to unpleasant situation. And the nurse is also affected by the economic situation of the country. So the nurse give holistic care, not because she doesn't feel pain or she doesn't have her own issue. And the nurse is not a dumping ground for you, for your unresolved situation at home. And the nurse is not someone that should fill in a space that is being created in your home. Because I came to realize that people come to the hospital, they don't talk to doctors. When they meet a doctor, the only thing they talk to him about is their medical need. And they don't pour out their heart to the doctor, their anger, their dissatisfaction about life, about their homes to the doctor. Why not? But you look at the nurse, that caring person, that person that is empathic about you, that person that is gentle. You look at that person and you think is a dumping ground for all those baggages that you people normally bring to the hospital. It's not fair. Because just the way you have the ability to react to things, the nurse too has. Because she's a human being. A nurse is a normal human being. She is not exempted by anything that you are going through. So, that woman that you paid her bride price, your hard-earned money, you use it to pay her bride price, that doesn't respect you at home. Don't think you come and get that respect from a nurse. She is not your wife. That man that doesn't give you attention at home, that one that you are bearing his name, that doesn't listen to you, don't think you will come to the hospital and expect the nurse to listen to you in such regards. And for the men, that your ego that has been bruised in your home, don't think the nurse should be able to heal that place. You should be able to know the kind of things you bring to the hospital. Because obviously nobody cares about you in the hospital except the nurse. How often do you see the doctor? How close can you get to a doctor to open up to him and even pour out those nonsense? You don't. Is it the lab scientist that you do that to? What connection do you have? You only go to the lab scientist for tests and come back. Or is it the pharmacist that only write drugs for you? Look at it. Nobody cares about you like the nurse. Who stays with you in the hospital? Who listens to you? And yet, that person is the one that you think should be able to take in your baggages. You are not fair to that nurse. You are not fair to that nurse. The nurse have to deal with her own issues at home and deal with yours. Your own resolved situation. No, now. No. And the society is making it look as if nurses are supernatural. You go to the hospital, there's patients' rights. How about nurses' rights? Do we have nurses' rights? What happened to all those assaults that are going on nurses? There's no nurses' rights. You only have patients' rights. You have the cervical moving up and down in the hospital, protecting the hospital and protecting the patient. Who protects the nurse from all your assaults? And if you are working in private hospital, the CMD is only concerned about his patient's honor. He doesn't care about what happened to you. So please keep your baggages at home. Respect that person that is there for you. Honor that person. And just know that he's the only person that listens to you in the hospital. And deserve your respect. Deserve your honor.